Hi everyone, I am Pauline Lauronilla presenting Focus Group Discussion Unit 7 Lesson 2. The content of this presentation are focus group discussion, types of focus group discussion, creating a questionnaire, advantage and disadvantages of focus group discussion, and outline process of the focus group discussion. So, focus group discussion. A focus group discussion, or FGD, gathers a small group of people with common backgrounds or experiences to discuss a specific topic. The participants are guided by a facilitator who moderates topic for discussion and helps the group to participate in a lively discussion. So, ang focus group discussion or FGD kay small gathering of people nga naay similar og background like our characteristics or experiences nga relevant sa discussion topic. Example ani kay company nga magbuhat or create og bag-o nga flavor sa coffee dayon mag-organize og focus group as coffee lovers. Ni-discuss dire kay ilang experiences sa laing-laing flavor and preferences nila. Makatabang nig-enhance sa ilang new coffee product like the feedback sa mga participants or the respondents. Question: When should an entrepreneur use a focus group discussion? Focus group discussion should be used when an entrepreneur or researcher wants to understand a deeper level of an issue which they can't assess with a survey. Example: survey versus focus group discussion. Situationer: a juice seller in a canteen wants to know why the students like lemon juice more than orange juice. So here's the example: survey versus focus group discussion. So in survey, 75% of the students like lemon juice, while 25% of the students like orange juice. While in FGD or focus group discussion, 75% of the students explains that they like lemon juice because it is made of fresh lemon, which is healthy and delicious. So, as you can tell, sa survey kay butang ra ang percentage, while sa FGD kay specify jud why do you like the lemon juice. So there is FGD or focus group discussion kay murag deep kay murag sila ga dig in og nganong kuan nganong ganahan ang students ana nga choose. Then next, ang consideration kay gender, age, and I don't know how to pronounce this. So yeah, balik. And the consideration in choosing FGD participants or choosing focus group discussion participants may three: gender, age, and hierarchy. First, gender. Women feel uncomfortable when discussing maternal health when there are men in the group. Why? So, dapat natin consider ang gender kay syempre, uncom uncomfy jud og naay men in a group niya ang discussion is about maternal health, like about pregnancies, childbirth, experiences. So, mas nice yun og babae tanan. Syempre, maternal, dili paternal. So, dapat mga babae na siya. Kay maternal good. Nya sa age. Age. A young individual may feel difficulty in expressing his alcohol drinking habits if the group includes older people from his community. So age. Age or kuan, age basta age like syempre ma-uncomfy jud kay like generation gap sa syempre lahi ng generation sa younger o older. Like kanang mga tiguang na jud then kanang mga batan-on. So dapat mga kaedad ra nimo para dili dili gani maka-feel og difficulty in expressing his alcohol drinking habits. Yeah. Sunod, hierarchy. A student may feel difficulty in expressing his feelings about his teachers when the principal is included in the group. So, syempre, basin mahadlok ang student nga ma-express sa iyang feeling if na ang principal which is dapat student ra pod. Para nako. Kay basin mahunahunan sa student nga naay consequences gani niya. Then, mo to, di ba dapat sa focus group kay mga similar og background like our sino experience na relevant niya. So mo na dapat like student mo na. The next is this question. How should we handle participants in a focus group discussion? How? So these are the types of focus group discussion. Single focus discussion, two-way focus group discussion, dual moderator focus discussion, dueling moderator focus discussion, respondent moderator focus group, mini focus group, online focus group. So first, the single focus group. There is one facilitator who asks questions and discussion a topic with a group of respondents. So kaning single focus group na facilitator na maoy mag-guide sa mga tao or participants or respondents by asking them questions og mag-discuss a specific topic. So mo na siya single focus group. Then next, two-way focus group. The total number of participants is divided into two groups. A group A watches as the other group answer the question of the facilitator. Through listening to what the other group thinks and say, Group A is able to draw conclusion from the discussion. So, kaning second type of FGD or focus group discussion, dire kay, di ba, sulti dire kay, tungaon into two groups ang mga participants niya. Ang Group A ang mag-observe, then ang Group B ang mo-answer sa facilitators questions. Well, galison ang Group A sa Group B. Ang Group A kay mag-start kuan og insights from the Group B's discussion. Nya, mo na siya ang two-way focus group. So, in dual moderator focus group, there are two facilitators in this type of focus group. The first facilitator is in charge of ensuring that the focus group session runs smoothly. The second facilitator makes sure that the topics in question are all covered. So here in dual moderator, na two facilitator. Ang usa mo ay mag-manage sa usa ka session para hapsay ang flow sa discussion ug ang usa kay maoy mag-manage pud sa mga topic nga i-discuss para ma-make sure nga ang tanan nga topic kay na-discuss. The next kay dueling moderator focus group. There are two facilitators in this type, but their role is to take opposite sides on the topic of discussion. The purpose of the dueling moderators is to facilitate ideas by introducing different viewpoints. So, kaning dueling moderator kay sorry kay kwaon not kwaon surgery kay kuanon nga ang participants kay dili ra mag-focus sa usa ka perspective but dapat different sides sa topic para mas masabtan. Dapat dili ra mag-focus sa usa but sa daghan para mas masabtan. Then next kay respondent moderator focus group. Respondent moderator focus group. One or more of the focus group respondents temporarily take over as facilitator who will ask questions to the focus group. Sharing the moderator role encourages different reactions and enriches the information. So in respondents moderator focus group, kay mauni siya mo take over sa facilitator but temporarily. Like mao yung mga tanan sa mga focus group members like the respondents respondents sabaan joke word. Respondents and no respondents are participants. Yeah, there is a mini focus group. So here is a mini focus group. The group is composed of fewer participants. It is usually consists of 4 or 5 respondents only. So dire kay syempre nakabutang na gani composed of fewer participants. Alang magdaghan siya few man. So dire kay gamay ra ang participants like 4 or 5 respondents only. Then lastly, nga types sa FGD or focus group discussion is online focus group. So kini kay ang participant kay mag-share sa iyang info through online ug mas accessible niya kana nga way mas ma-engage ang mga tao nga mo join sa discussion nga naay laing-laing viewpoints and experiences. So mao nay types of FGD or focus group discussion. Next question. What will be your strategy in formulating questions for your focus group discussion? Kane, creating a questionnaire. It is important to plan the way question will be delivered during the focus group discussion. There should be 3 types of questions to be included in the discussion. So next mo ni siya ang types of question in focus group discussion. There are 3. Probe questions, follow-up question, exit questions. So yeah, there are 3 types of questions in focus group discussion. These are probe questions, follow-up questions, and exit questions. So probe questions. These questions will introduce the participant to the topic of discussion. Probe question will help the participants feel confident in sharing their insights with the group. So kaning probe questions na diri ang questions nga mag-introduce sa usa ka topic sa mga participants or respondents. Then kaning follow-up questions. Follow-up questions are the questions the facilitators ask after asking a probe question. This type of questions will be used to explore further into the topic and the participant's opinion. So there is a follow-up questions. Magamit ni siya after sa probe question. Like, kuha ni siya like additional question para mas masabtan ang specific nga butang or ambot. Then kaning exit question. Exit question. Exit questions are asked to ensure that the facilitator does not miss anything to ask about the topic. So kaning exit questions. Questions after like afterward or before mahuman and discussion like moas ang teacher baron kung naba may pangutana before dismiss ang klase to make sure nga walay na miss na topic. So mo ni siya exit question. Then next kay natay situationer. An entrepreneur would like to know which between two promotional programs attract his customers better. Customer better. So kuan ni siya example ni siya sa example ni siya sa probe question, follow up question and exit question. So mao ni siya ang example. Probe question, follow up question, exit question. Please lang ko grade ninyo. So mao siya. So next question. What are the challenges in utilizing a focus group? So mao ni siya ang advantages and disadvantages of focus group discussion. So ang advantages sa focus group discussion. Number 1, a focus group discussion is cheaper means of gathering data compared to other techniques. Second, the participants will be able to learn as they hear the responses of other participants. Third, the group discussions results in more data gathered by giving the participants a chance to review during discussions. So, ang disadvantages ani kay number 1, a focus group discussion may be difficult to manage because of a large number of participants. Number 2, sharp participants may feel intimidated by a assertive participant that can introduce bias and affect the result. Third, the analysis of data gathered may be challenging. So next, how would you describe the successful conduct of a focus group discussion? So, there are 7 steps to consider in conducting a FGD or focus group discussion. Or the steps. Step 1, set the goals. Before gathering the participants, it is vital to understand why they should organize the focus group. Setting the goals of that discussion is the primary step in process of focus group discussion. So, step 1, dapat yun mo i-figure out o nganong mag-organize kag focus group or unsay ganahan nimo ma-achieve. Setting a goal kay makatabang para ma-sure nga ang discussion kay ga-focus sa specific nga topic or relevant ka topic. So step 2, define the target audience. After setting the goals, the organizers should identify who their target audience is. The target audience is the individuals who will be invited for the activity. So here in step 2, ighuman og set sa goals sa step 1 ug proceed na ka sa pag-identify og kinsa imong mga target audience. Ang target audience mo ni sila yung mahimo nimong mga participants or respondents. So step 3, find a venue. Choose a venue that is accessible and easy to find. Good venues include halls, schools or colleges, community centers, and meeting rooms in a business center. So here in step 3, need jud mangita og accessible og dali ra nga makita nga lugar para Para dili malisdan ang mga participants or respondent, also dapat kanang daghang mga tao like those sa schools, community centers like kato. Then step 4. Recruit participants. The organization of a focus group discussion should know how to reach out to the potential participants for the activity. Schools, workplace, shops, community centers, churches, and online forums are the possible locations inviting participants depending on the FGD topic. So kani sa step 4, dapat ihibaw og unsaon pag-recruit sa mga potential participants. 5. Design the questions. In this step, the organizer creates the questions to be asked in the group. Do not start with questions that are answerable by yes or no. The question should be clear and only focusing on one topic. So, step 5, dili na step kay magbuhat na og question and dapat dili answerable og yes or no ang question nga imong buhaton. Also, dapat ang question nga buhaton kay dali ra masabtan og relevant sa topic. So, step 6. Moderate the group. The focus group discussion is conducted by a moderator who serves as the facilitator of the activity. The moderator starts the activity by greeting all participants and discussing the topic, including the goals of the discussions. Next, he will set rules for the discussion. So, kaning step 6, kay mura gud ni siya flow sa usa ka session sa focus group discussion. Then, kaning step 7, analyze. Transcribe the answers of the participants recorded on the video. Cut anything unnecessary and get essential information only. Write or encode the answers to each question and start to analyze the information. So, diri kay i-transcribe na ang mga recorded na answers sa participants. So, balikon. Ang focus group discussion na siya types of focus group, 9 types of focus group discussion, which is the single focus, two-way focus, dual moderator, dueling moderator, respondent moderator, mini focus, and online focus. So, types of question na ay 3. The probe questions, follow-up questions, and exit questions. Ang detailed outline process of focus group discussion, there are 7. Set the goals, define the target audience, find a venue, recruit participants, design the questions, moderate the group, and lastly, analyze. Hey guys, thank you for listening. Arigato, kapkan ka.